So you guys know I'm a big lawn guy. I like my grass to be nice and green. Right now you can see I have a huge brown spot in my lawn. So for the past several years, I've had an issue with centipede grass growing in my Bermuda lawn. So started off with a smaller patch that was about 7 or 8 feet, but you can see over the years it has grown. This is probably 20 feet wide, and then a second patch started here, and then another small patch started over there. And that's when I decided I was fed up with it. So I went through a few different rounds of a non-selective herbicide, and I used this new backpack sprayer that I got from Vevor. You can check it out. It has a 12-volt battery pack in the back. So instead of having a hand pump on the side like you see a lot of them have, it has a little switch right here, and that switch turns the pump on. So what that pump's doing is it's keeping the air pressure up so that I can just walk around and spray. So I've got my long wand here, and I've got a little bit of centipede growing out right here. So I'll hit that. Holds a lot of fluid, but I just go around and I took care of all this area 3 or 4 different times. I really do love this backpack sprayer. It's priced really well for what it is. The battery lasts pretty long. I've been able to spray my yard multiple times, and I've got a fairly decent sized yard.